Hi everyone, hope you have a nice day today. Today I will show you how to install a lifeline. For the lifeline you use your needle, grab half of the stitch, always on the same row, and go to the other side to reach the start of the pink yarn. I used this part from another video, so don't worry, you have the rest with the new video. It's because I didn't put record of on my camera for this one. I showed this video is for reduce the length of your tube when it's not attached on the other end like this one. So now I remove the yarn that keep all the stitches together. Waste yarn that I remove. Just did one row with this one, but usually I do like 5 or 10 rows of waste yarn depending of the thickness of the yarn. So now I will grab it. It's stuck here. I will cut it because I got the middle of the yarn with the machine. Sometimes happen. So I will remove that, so that way I could keep this yarn. I will roll it in a ball, and when I get closer to the lifeline I will slow her down, don't worry. Make sure everybody understand it correctly. And now, okay, the lifeline keep all the stitch together. I grab the one on the top like this, put it like together, and only one is apart, so I will grab my hook number 4 and start grabbing all the stitches, one in the front, one in the back. There. I will put my video a little bit faster, but don't worry, when I will arrive at the end of the sewing I will slow it down again to make sure everybody get it. There, a little bit faster here. Hope you enjoyed those little video. I took a lot of time for me to grab some video that I already done and pick a little place like to teach things like drop stitch, flat panel, how to close tube. This week was a little bit of preparation. So don't forget to subscribe and add yourself a little like on each video, could be nice too. I'm very tired, that's why I beg a little bit. I'm looking for my words, so don't worry, I'm okay. It's normal, it's only because I'm tired. It's hard for me to speak English when I'm tired. It's harder than usually. So I almost get to the end. I will slower the video, don't worry. Now, normal speed. Make sure you grab all the stitches before you connect to the other tube. Almost lost this one. I will attach it with the other tube with the tail of the other one. I'm closing it. There. Now it's time to remove the lifeline. It is very hard for me to say. Sorry for that. So I remove it with my loom hook. Like this one, I always have it closer to me. It's nice to grab some stitch on the machine, or little piece gets stuck sometime. I have this. It's a nice tool to have. There, almost finished. And then I will pull on it. I use a smaller yarn to grab all the stitches. That's why it's easier to remove. When you use the same thickness, sometimes it's not easy. Oh, I have a dog that want to go out. Won't be long. Teggy. I'm almost done. There. So I pull. Oops. Remove that. And almost done. And after that I will check if I didn't lose any stitches to make sure that it doesn't become a drop stitch. That it's not fun when you're all done your project and you notice that. So always check that after you remove your lifeline. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon, and I will go get my dog out. You need to go. Ciao, ciao.